Alright, and here we are at Worko. Yo! Birthday cam.
Happy birthday.
Birthday cake. She got that.
Oh my god. Wait, you can't show the tip there.
Okay. This shit is strong.
You know what it is?
What do you call it?
I don't know. Tiff made it for me one day. It was literally the strongest drink ever. I was like that.
Yeah.
And this is probably how it was really supposed to be.
Look at us with the heck. Nice jacket.
No problem.
Hold on. What up, boy? Stable.
Oh, he saw something more important last second.
Yeah, let me tell that something. Hey! That's my good girl. That's my good girl. Hey, Hey, first of all, first of all, let's choose this guy on social media here. You got a fucking Instagram, motherfucker? You got an Instagram, motherfucker? Look at you. I got 4 now. I got 4 pictures. 4 posts. Hey.
It's on. Too late, motherfucker. Say happy birthday to fucking Alan. Do it again because I wasn't holding it.
It's a fuck.
I'm very sorry, Alan.
You are?
Yes.
I'm 20. I'm on your level now.
Welcome. We're almost 30. What the fuck?
I know. You wanna go grab my girlfriend?
Yes.
You brought her down there, didn't you?
Is that Alexis?
Yeah.
I love her.
She's the best. What is that? Danger J. Get some titties, get some titties.
B-double-O to the B to the yes. Boobs.
Boobs, boobies, boobas,
T to the I,
titas,
double T-I-E to the S.
titties.
Titties.
What's up? Excuse me, Miss Ashley.
I am currently up to close my tab.
Fight me. I just want you to be okay.
This camera really quick. It's our friend. It's Alex's.
Yeah, alright.
We gotta take 12 shots.
It's upside down.
What the fuck?
Ew, look at this guy. Motherfucker.
Happy birthday, Alex.
Thanks, Alan.
Yeah. Is it?
2 L's, 2 A's, and
Ellen, what the fuck ever.
whatever, bro.
Look at all these goons. Look at all these goons.
So
And cheers. No. Here.
We're going to Jesse's.
Hey, baby. I hate that tiny towel. I hate the.
I'm gonna pee my pants. Like, let's kick it.
Does Jesse have his bike or is he?
Who bought the shots?
The guy in the green shirt actually.
Oh, here he is. Here, you talk to him.
Jesse.
Hey, wait, just Jesse.
Yo, baby, where are you?
Who?
His bike.
His bike at 717.
Oh, okay.
Alright, we
We'll definitely get there before. Is there a new lighter? He has a lighter. Do you have a lighter?
Yeah.
The birthday boy?
Can I get a cigarette?
dude.
Absolutely. I'm about to buy a pack. I don't need a cigarette. Oh, yeah, let me get one of those for sure. I really kind of feel like I should put my dick out and just piss all over the grass. This guy's trying. This guy's trying.
Holla, 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 holla.
What's wrong with you? I'm trying to holler at you.
Holla, 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 holla. Oh, does that make you feel like the fucking douchebag that you are?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, yeah, no.
Yeah, dude, I just totally chill out on Howard and I pick up bitches at like 3:15. It's the best. Oh, I kill it. I kill it.
Dude, I drink muscle milk every day for breakfast, bro.
DHD.
I don't eat those fucking carbohydrates that are like GMO or anything, man. Like,
Don't even worry about the GMOs right now. Don't even
all I
worry
eat
about
is
them.
brown rice and tuna. Tuna and brown rice.
I just eat protein and carbs. Don't worry about it.
That's all I need.
Come on.
There's 31 in here.
What?
Yeah, down in those aisles.
Get this.
Big Skull. My name is Big Skull.
Whee!
Birthday camera. Get the fuck out of here. Hey, what's up? It's me and Jill. Don't even worry about it.
Oh my god.
That's my girlfriend, Alexis. Have you ever met her?
No.
There she goes.
Alive.
Hello, birthday camera.
Unbutton another button, bruh.
Don't even worry about it.
What are you doing? Where'd you just come from?
How was your night?
It's good.
Look at that.
Donald.
What do you need?
Everything.
Makeup.
You should have the Revive, first of all. Throw the XX. Throw that away right now.
Throw it away.
The Revive is good.